Students. So yesterday what we discuss, matrix inverse. Find the inverse of the matrix by using the given relation. Okay. So today 5 marks, we completed 5 marks question, compulsory 5 marks question. Application of determinants and matrices. Application of determinants and matrices. So first, consistent and inconsistent system. Consistent system and inconsistent system. So a system of equations is said to be consistent. A system of equations is nothing but this is the system of equations. First of all, system of equations. System of equations. This is system of equations. So 3 equations are there. 3 equations are nothing but 3 by 3 matrix. a1x plus b1y plus c1z equal to d1, a2x plus b2y plus c2z equal to equations. Okay, system of equations. This is the main problem. The system of equations consists. This is system of 3 equations. The 3 system of equations are consistent or inconsistent. How to say? How to say consistent or inconsistent? Which one? System of equations. What are the system of equations means what? What is the meaning of system of equations? This is system of equations. a1x plus b1y plus c1z is equal to d1, a2x plus b2y plus c2z equal to, this is called system of equation. The system of equation is consistent or inconsistent. How to say? This is the procedure. First, consistent system. A system of equations is said to be consistent if its solution exists. Consistency means solution exists. That solution, single solution, unique solution, single solution or unique solution. Unique means what? One, only one. Okay. First of all, the solution is unique. Consistency means the given solution, system of equations, the system of linear equations is consistent. Means first of all, consistency means solution exists. That solution is unique solution or different solution or infinite many solution or any type of solution is nothing. Okay, first of all, the consistency means solution exists. Consistency means solution exists. Inconsistent system. A system of equations is said to be inconsistent if solution does not exist. A solution, there is no solution. Consistency means a solution, one or more. So the 2 types of solutions are there. 2 types of solution. First type of the solution is unique solution. Unique solution means only single one. Solution is nothing but what? X, Y, Z values. Linear system of linear equation, solution means what? Find out X, Y, Z values. Solution is nothing but X, Y, Z values. So consistent to means solution exists but one or more. These are 2 types of solutions, unique solution and infinitely many solutions. Infinitely many solutions. So when the solution is unique, when the solution is infinitely many solutions. This is first case 1. So A matrix, the given system of equations, A is called, what is the A? Coefficient matrix. Coefficient matrix. A means what? A is the coefficient matrix. So one line, one equation is nothing but one row. One equation is nothing but one row. So coefficients, x coefficient 2, y coefficient 2, z coefficient, a1, b1, c1, a1, b1, c1. Next, second row, a2, b2, second equation, a2, b2, c2, third equation, a3, b3, c3. So left side only x coefficient to y coefficient, z coefficient. First equation first row, second row, third equation third row. This is A matrix. The A matrix determinant, that is nothing but determinant. Determinant is not equal to 0. Determinant, first of all, any linear system of linear equations will given, any equations given, first of all we have to find out determinant of A. Determinant of A is not equal to 0 means the system of linear equation is consistent. Consistent means two solutions, unique solution and infinitely many solution. Determinant of A not equal to 0, the system of linear equation is consistent with unique solution. Determinant of A not equal to 0. Determinant of A not equal to 0 means the system is consistent. The system is consistent. Which type of solution? Unique solution. This one. Next case 2. So, determinant of A not equal to 0 means unique solution. Determinant of A equal to 0, two types. Determinant of A equal to 0 means determinant of A equal to 0 and adjoint A into B is equal to O. Adjoint A into B equal to O, not 0, O matrix, 0 matrix. So, determinant of A equal to 0 and adjoint A into B equal to 0 means the total 0 means that is a linear system of linear equation is consistent. So, solution exists. So, which type of solution? Infinitely many solution. Infinitely many solution. Here in the system of equation, what is A? Coefficient matrix. What is B? B is the constant matrix. Equal to D1, equal to 2, equal to 3, this is constant matrix. B is the constant matrix and X is the variable matrix, only variables. In the system of equations, how many variables are there? Only 3 variables. Each equation have 3 variables, X, Y, Z. Okay, so adjoint, adjoint A, cofactor, the transpose of the cofactor of matrix A is called the adjoint A. Okay. So, inconsistent means a system of equation is said to be inconsistent, it has no solution, does not exist means solution does not exist means there is no solution. So, how determinant of A equal to 0, determinant of A equal to 0, consistent or inconsistent, both. Determinant of equal to 0, only determinant of A not equal to 0 means only single 100% consistent unique solution. Determinant of A equal to 0 means consistent or inconsistent, both. Consistent to inconsistent. When consistent, determinant of A equal to 0 and adjoint of A into B equal to total, both are 0 means consistent to infinite many solutions. So, determinant of A equal to 0 and adjoint A into B not equal to 0. Determinant of A equal to O, 0 and adjoint A into B equal to O. This is 0, this is O. This is O, this is 0. Okay. The not equal to 0 means the system has a inconsistent to. Inconsistent means the system of linear equation has no solution. There is no solution. Okay. So, next, how to find out inverse? System of, so it is consistent to inconsistent meaning. Next, third one, solution of system of linear equations using inverse of matrix. Find out inverse of matrix by using the matrix method, inverse method. Inverse, find out how to find out my inverse, 3 types. First type, adjoint A by det A. That is a normal procedure. Second one, yesterday completed. This one, A cube minus 6A square, this type. And a relation according to the relation. Third one, by using the matrix method. The first 2 methods are directly will given matrix, A matrix. A, this is A matrix. Find the inverse of A. This is one. This is third method is the given. Which one is given? Linear system of linear equation. System of linear equation is given means by using the matrix inverse method. How to find out inverse? First of all, how to find a solution? Solution nothing but what? Solution nothing but x, y, z. How to find out x, y, z? Normally, 3 equations solve means by using the 1 minus 2, 2 minus 3, this is this type of normal process. This is compulsory by using the matrix inverse method. 5 marks question, 100% question. Solution of system of linear equation using matrix inverse method or inverse of matrix method. Inverse of matrix method or matrix inverse method. How to find out? First, the system of linear equations are given. First of all, the you will write A matrix, coefficient matrix, variable matrix and constant matrix, and the system of equations can be written as Ax is equal to B. Ax is equal to B. So x is equal to what? A inverse into B goes to A goes to left side, right side. X is equal to A inverse into B. First of all, we have to find out A inverse by using the minors cofactors method. This is our A matrix, direct given matrix A. First we have to find out A inverse. How to find out A inverse? By using the minors and cofactors method. Minors and cofactors method. So next to A is a matrix, A inverse also matrix. So A inverse into B, multiply A inverse into B, matrix multiplication. We will get X. X is what? Capital X is nothing but variable matrix, X, Y, Z. Okay. So this is the consistent to inconsistent to and matrix inverse method or inverse of matrix method by using the system of linear equations. Okay, the concept is, first of all, the main thing is, first which type of data is given, problem is given, system of equations, linear equations. System of linear equations are given. Question, first question, the system of linear equations consistent or inconsistent? Let us check whether consistency of the given system of linear equation. Consistency means what? Consistence or consistent or inconsistent. The given system of equations are consistent or inconsistent. How to find out consistent, inconsistent? First of all, the system of linear equations can be written as in the form of coefficient matrix, variable matrix and constant matrix. First of all, now next, determinant of A, find out determinant of A. Determinant of A is not equal to 0 means the system has which type of solution? Unique solution, consistent to. Determinant of A not equal to 0. Determinant of A is negative, positive or anything. This main thing is not equal to 0. So determinant of A not equal to 0 means, so this is the system of linear equations are consistent. The solution is unique solution. Next, for example, system determinant of A equal to 0 means, next we have to find out adjoint A. Adjoint A, and already B matrix is there. Adjoint A matrix into B matrix equal to 0. Determinant of A 0 and adjoint A into B matrix also 0 means the system of linear equations are infinitely many solution, inconsistent, consistent to. Consistent are two types of solution, unique solution, infinitely many solution. Determinant of A not equal to 0 means unique solution. Determinant of A equal to 0 and adjoint A into B is also 0 means the consistent solution, infinitely many solution. So determinant of A equal to 0 and adjoint A into B not equal to 0 means this is inconsistent solution. Inconsistent means where there is no solution. This one. Next, system of find out how to find inverse. When inverse A inverse is exists, determinant of A not equal to 0. Determinant of A not equal to 0 andre inverse exist. Inverse exist. The system has unique solution. Inverse exist. A is a singular matrix. Singular matrix means what? Non-singular matrix. Determinant of A not equal to 0. Inverse exist ಆಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ first of all the given matrix ಗೆ inverse exist ಆಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವಾಗ inverse exist ಆಗುತ್ತದೆ? Inverse exist ಆಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ determinant of A not equal to 0 ಅಂದ್ರೆ inverse exist. Determinant of A equal to 0, inverse does not exist. First of all, Inverse means first of all determinant. First we have to find out determinant of A. Determinant of A not equal to 0 means inverse exists. Determinant of A equal to 0 means inverse does not exist. Okay, this is the today concept. Okay, next go to the problems. So we are going to the exercise 4.6. Examine the consistency of the system of equation in exercise 1 to 6. In exercise 1 to 6, examine the consistency. Consistency means the given system of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent. Consistent or inconsistent. Only consistency means consistency. Inconsistence means inconsistent. Only examine the consistency. Only consistency. That is the 2 by 2 matrix or 3 by 2 means nothing. Okay. First problem. X plus 2y is equal to 2. 2x plus 3y. 2x plus 3y is equal to 3. First. A, X, B. Coefficient matrix. Here A is equal to coefficient matrix. These are two equations. Two equations, two variables means 2 by 2 matrix. Okay. So 1, 2, 2, 3. Next x is equal to only x, y. So B is equal to 2, 3. First of all, determinant of A is equal to, how to find out determinant of A? Cross multiplication. 1 into 3 minus 2 into 2. 3 minus 4 is equal to, 3 minus 4 is equal to minus 1. So minus 1 is not equal to 0 or equal to 0? Not equal to 0. So determinant of A is not equal to 0 means the system of equations, the system of linear equations are consistent. The system of linear equations are consistent. Consistent to how many consistents have how many solutions? Two solutions. What are they? Unique solution and infinite many solution. So this is unique solution or infinite many solution? Unique solution, because determinant is not equal to 0. This is consistent with the unique solution. So unique solution is not important to know, need not be used, because only we have to find out consistency, only consistency. So this one. Next. Third one. Third problem. X plus 3y is equal to 5. 2x plus 6y is equal to 8. 3 by 3 matrix, 3 by 3 matrix and 3 variables, linear equation 3 by 3 matrix, linear equations also same procedure. Okay, determinant of A, this one. Okay. So what is here now? What is the coefficient matrix? A is equal to 1, 3, 2, 6. X is equal to x, y. So B is equal to 5, 8. This one. First we have to find out determinant of A. So 1 into 6 minus 2 into 3. So 0. 6 minus 6, 0. So determinant of A 0, determinant of A not equal to 0 means pakka 100% single consistent unique solution. So determinant of A equal to 0 means is consistent or inconsistent? Decide directly. Don't know, decide. Okay. Don't decide directly. because determinant of A equal to means two type, consistent to or inconsistent, both are. Okay, so don't decide directly. Okay, determinant of A not equal to 0 consistent to determinant of A equal to inconsistent to, this is not wrong, this is wrong. So determinant of A not equal to 0 means directly the consistent to unique solution fixed single. So determinant of A equal to 0 means don't decide directly inconsistent to or consistent. Okay, consistent to or inconsistent or. Okay, so this is inconsistent or inconsistent. How to decide? Adjoint A. Adjoint A. Adjoint A is equal to what? Adjoint A is equal to, how to find out adjoint of 2 by 2 matrix? Interchange the first and last element. Interchange the first and last. This 6 1 6. Interchange the 6 1. So next remaining elements sign change. This is an adjoint A. So adjoint A is there. Next adjoint A into B. Adjoint A into B. Adjoint A is equal to 6 minus 3, 6 minus 3 minus 2, 1. Adjoint A into B. B is equal to 5, 8. Multiplication, matrix multiplication. First of all, matrix multiplication is exist or not? How to decide? This is the 2 by 2 matrix, this is the 2 by 1 matrix. First matrix columns, second matrix rows is equal, then the matrix multiplication is exist. So what is the A into B matrix of order? A matrix of order 2 by 2, okay. B matrix of order 2 by 1, okay. What is the order of adjoint A into B matrix of order? Adjoint A into 2 by 1. 2 by 1 means 2 rows, 2 columns. 2 by 1. This is 2 by 1. 2 by 1. So A11, A21. So A11 means what? First row, first column. Rows are always taken from first matrix. Only rows in the first matrix from the first matrix. Only columns from the second matrix. So 1, 1. 6 into 5. 6 into 5 plus minus 3 into 8. Minus 3 into 8. Next 2, 1. Second row, first column. Minus 2 into 5 plus 1 into 8. So that is equal to 6 into 5, 30. 30 minus 24. Next minus 10 plus 8. So that is equal to 30 minus 24, 6 minus 2. So adjoint A into B is equal to 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2 is not equal to O matrix. So adjoint A into B not equal to 0. Determinant of A is equal to 0 and adjoint A into B equal to not equal to O. So determinant of A equal to 0 and adjoint A into B not equal to O means this is consistent or inconsistent? Inconsistent. Both are 0. Determinant of A is equal to 0 and adjoint A into B is also 0 means consistent, infinite many solutions. So determinant of A equal 0, therefore determinant of A equal to 0 and adjoint A into B is not equal to O means the system of linear equation has inconsistent. So it is inconsistent. It is inconsistent. So it is inconsistent means solution. Which type of solution? No solution. It has no solution. It has no solution. It means what? Linear equation. It means the given linear equations. Okay. Tomorrow matrices weekend exam. Tomorrow Wednesday matrices weekend exam. And tomorrow I will discuss the very important 5 marks question. Very means 100% it comes in our examination. Compulsory question. Matrix 5 marks question. Matrix 5 marks question from the exercise 4.6. Next sum. Find the solve the equation by using the matrix inverse method. Matrix inverse method. Okay, tomorrow don't miss it. Okay, this is the remaining problems are there. How many problems are? First 6 problems are there in consistent one model and inconsistent one model. Okay, so 2 models are completed. The remaining 4 problems we will do homework. Okay, so 3x3 matrix also same. 3x3 matrix means A matrix, X matrix, B matrix, determinant of determinant of matrix of A, 3x3 matrix, plus minus plus. Expanding method, find out determinant not equal to 0 means same, consistent unique solution. Determinant equal to 0 means find out adjoint A. First of all, minor cofactors, transpose of cofactors. This is the procedure. Okay, so tomorrow don't miss to the class. Okay, tomorrow very important 5 marks question. Don't miss it. Okay, thank you.